Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We're having a good weekend, good day, good whatever. So thumbnail, we're at Bowling Green NMRA. I'm going to show you guys Project Phoenix. It's done. I unveiled the car to the owner. They did their own video. I'm waiting on a clip from them. Once I get that, I'll add it to this video and put it up on YouTube so you guys can watch them, his reaction to the car, what he thought of the car, and the overall fit and finish. Very happy with the car. Turned out great. My son's running True Street behind me, so I'm kind of in a hurry and a rush. First off, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. You know, it helps a lot. I really appreciate everybody that stopped talking to me today, subscribers especially, answering questions when I can and when I wasn't busy. I really appreciate that, first off and most. So I'm going to walk around Project Phoenix. The car turned out amazing. Really happy with the car. I've got my Celine Coupe here. My son's 93 Silver Cobra Clone is here. And yesterday we brought the 93R up, but today, just busy day. Finally get a chance to take 5 minutes to do a video and do a walk around of Project Phoenix and show you what it turned out like. The car looks absolutely amazing. Really happy with the car. I'm stoked. Let me know what y'all think. If you have any questions about the car, products I use, methods I use to restore quarter glasses and all that other stuff, you can hit me up at foxjunk73@gmail.com and I'll be happy to answer any questions you guys or gals may have. Again, I really appreciate y'all watching the video, taking the time to subscribe, asking questions, and I'll take the time to answer the questions. Again, show you guys the car. Without further ado, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. And bam, there it is, y'all. Project Phoenix is done. I did a video on quarter windows. This is the finished product of the quarter glass, for those of y'all wondering. The Fox Junk sticker is not going to stay. That's just there for the weekend. However, I did get some Fox Junk window banners made for Fox bodies. If anybody wants one, let me know. Keep in mind, they're not very cheap. It's a 3-part decal. I get them from a shop down in Myrtle Beach. I had them done last year for Mustang Week, and they're kind of pricey. I'll sell it to you for what it costs me. I'm making money off of it, so if y'all want one, let me know. Back on the car. Passenger quarter, went with the 17-inch NMRA reps. Looks really nice. Passenger door, fit and finish. Again, you guys know my attention to detail. We'll start back here with gas cap door. Just like new. Got decal like it's supposed to have. Finish down the side. Show y'all the inside of the car. Now, the inside of this car is all original, so it's not perfect. Original carpet. We did do the Dan Carpenter cup holder. We did new armrest pads on the doors and the center console. Did a new boot and shift knob. Other than that, everything's original. Door panels and all that. Seats, headliner, back seat, all that stuff's original. Nothing's been replaced in the car. So walk around the front. That's the front of the car. Like I said, I finished it up last week, just in time to get it up here. That's the engine bay. Looking like factory. Check out down the side. Show you the other quarter window. So that's the other quarter glass. Turned out phenomenal. The roof looking like new money. The trunk lid.
That's cool on the switches. Yeah, that seat looks awesome.
So that's Project Phoenix. The car has been sold. It's going to a gentleman down in Florida. Again, I'm gonna add his video his wife made to this video at the end, so take time to watch that. We unveiled the car here at Bowling Green NMRA. Oh yeah, got a new tent for the channel. Canopy, what do you want to call it? Support the Fox Junk. Yeah. So it's the 93, or excuse me, my 89 Celine Coupe, number 117. And we got my son's silver 93 Cobra Clone here. So all in all, we had a good little turnout. Bringing the cars down, I think. So that's it for the cars. The new tent, canopy, whatever you want to call it. Again, my son's out running. We just made first pass. Also, I'm going to add his passes to this video. If you guys want to take time to watch that, I really appreciate it. It really helps with the channel. And like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. Again, if you want a question, comments, foxjunk73@gmail.com. Let me know about Project Phoenix, what you guys think. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys the door moldings. Now these door moldings are original in the car. Watch my videos on how to take them off. I'm going to do another one. I kind of revamped that a little bit. The first one I did was kind of sketch. So these are the original moldings. Use the 3M tape like they're supposed to. They turned out awesome. Like I said, everything inside this car is super nice shape. Just really good car. So we'll leave it at that. If you guys want to see anything else, I did a video on the Sling Coupe a couple years ago. If you want to see another one on that, let me know. I'll probably do one compared to the 93R or my son's Silver Clone. I'll be happy to do another video on that as well. Again, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And if you guys got any questions or comments, feel free, hit me up, foxjunk73@gmail.com. And if you ain't subscribed, please do so. It really helps. Again, I hate to harp on that, but again, nice meeting people that subscribe to the channel already. Thanks, appreciate that. And I hope you guys have had any questions or anything like that. I had enough time to answer your questions, and really appreciate that. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Watch the whole video. I'm going to add more stuff to this video. I'm going to add some picture clip to the coupe, the build clip. It shouldn't be too long, and a couple runs of my son's car and a video of the owner. So if it gets too long, I'll make 2 videos, and so you guys ain't got to sit and watch and boredom. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and you guys have a good weekend.
No, I was hoping that you run it to see how the suspension is. So cool.
This is pretty cool.
All right, you ready? That side, I'll grab this side.
Wow. Oh my gosh. What?
So if y'all watched the whole video, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to Laz for buying the car. Thanks for him. He's a fireman, if you guys didn't know. Him and his whole house watched this whole build series video on this car. Thanks to them for sticking through in agony and pain probably every day watching these videos, build videos of this car. Hopefully once the car gets down there, you guys can enjoy it as much as he does, or he will enjoy the car. I enjoyed the build. I enjoyed meeting him and his family. Had a great weekend down there. My son did very well. No issues, no problems. He was number 12 qualifier in True Street out of 130 cars, which was pretty good. He ended up running an open bracket class. Just missed the king of the streets by like 2 cars getting into that. So did really well from last year. Do a short video on that probably tomorrow or maybe the end of the week. Just kind of burnt out. I'm going to take a couple days off and just relax a little bit. And again, thanks for watching. Thanks again, Laz and your family, for coming down. I really appreciate it. And if you guys watched this whole video, it means a lot. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm just little fish in a big pond. Just trying to help you guys out with Fox Body content and how-to videos as best I can. And every view and every click helps a lot, and I really do appreciate it. So sitting on the couch with my kitty cat and just enjoying some time off. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. Questions, comments, foxjunk73@gmail.com. God bless and have a good night.